Installation of WallGUARD concrete-faced insulated perimeter wall panels. WallGUARD can be installed both vertically or horizontally. We recommend the vertical installation method. Determine and mark the lowest point on the foundation wall. A ledger plate can be installed or make a level line on the wall where the bottom of the panel will be. Install the first vertical row of WallGUARD wall panels. Slide the panel along the level line or ledger onto mounted clips until flush with corner. Position clips 12 inches down from the top and 12 inches up from the bottom of WallGUARD panel. Fasten the tongue side clips to the wall using 2 concrete anchors. For subsequent panels, slide panel along on the ledger or flush with the level line. Mate panel snugly before fastening tongue side clips to the wall. Cut WallGUARD panels to fit snugly around protrusions. Fill voids with backer rods and caulk or flash to seal. Repeat the process until the row of panels is one full or partial panel from completion. At inside corners, cut groove side off last panel if needed and slide into place. Fasten tongue side clips tight to the inside corner. Fasten inside corner clips on the next wall tight to the mortar face of the previously installed corner panel. Slide the grooved edge of the panel onto mounted clips tight to the panel on the inside corner and fasten tongue edge clips to the wall. At outside corners, fasten clips to the second foundation wall flush with the corner. Install the first panel on the second wall as previously demonstrated. Cut the groove side off the last panel if needed. Install last panel on the first wall, ensuring it extends flush to the mortar surface on the panel mounted on the second wall. Drill a hole through the surface of the first wall last panel at approximately 12 inches down from the top and 3.5 inches from the cut edge of the panel. Install an appropriately sized surface fastener. Avoid over-tightening. Cut corner flashing to slide past the fastener and slide flashing into the corner. Install remaining surface fasteners through the panel and flashing as needed. Where suitable, WallGUARD panels may be extended above the top of the foundation wall to provide an uninterrupted thermal barrier at the box joist. Flash is required to provide adequate protection against water infiltration. If a horizontal installation is required, you will need to order additional clips. Begin the first horizontal row of WallGUARD panels by fastening clips to the ledger or level line. Install the first panel, grooved edge down, on the 2 mounted clips, flush with the corner of the wall. Position top clips on the tongue edge of the panel and fasten to the wall. Repeat until the first row of panels is one full or partial panel from completion. Additional rows of full or partial panels can be installed in the same manner. For partial panels, use appropriately sized fasteners 2 to 3 inches down from the top of the panels. At outside corners, fasten bottom clips to the second foundation wall as previously described. Install the first panel on the second wall. Install the last panel on the first wall, ensuring it extends flush to the mortar surface of the opposing panel. Drill hole through the surface of the first wall last panel at approximately 6 inches down from the top and 3.5 inches from the right edge of the panel. And secure with an appropriate fastener. Trim flashing to slide past the fastener and slide flashing in place. Install remaining surface fasteners through panel and flashing as needed. At inside corners, cut last panel as needed and slide into place. Position clips on the tongue edge of the panels and fasten to the foundation wall. Fasten all base clips on the second wall. Position first clip 12 inches out from the inside corner panel and the remaining clips 24 inches apart. Install first panel grooved edge down on 2 mounted clips. Ensure the panel is tight to the panel on the inside corner. position clips on the tongue edge of the panel and fasten to the foundation wall. Where suitable, WallGUARD panels may be extended above the top of the foundation to provide an uninterrupted thermal barrier at the box joist. Flash as required. It is acceptable to utilize mitered outside corners in place of the standard butt corners described above. With a mitered outside corner, side flashing is not required. For vertical mitered outside corners, cut miter on the grooved side of the first wall board or on the left side of the panel in a horizontal installation. Measure or place and mark the board to ensure mitered corner is positioned correctly to match a mating mitered corner board. Mark holes and install foundation clips on the tongue side of the first panel. Then proceed with installation as previously described. Miter cut the last panel on the first wall so it can be cut and installed before proceeding. When installing mitered corners, drill holes through the surface of the first and last wall panels and install appropriately sized surface fasteners. Avoid over-tightening the fasteners. WallGUARD provides a durable and sustainable product that provides long-term insulation value and protection from UV and physical abuse. For more information, visit us online at tclear.com.